Alright, time to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Been using the old 6S for like 6 or 7 years, however long that is. So we'll finally get to upgrade 5G antenna. Just see what comes in the box here. It comes in this box from UPS, and it is taped down to the box so it can't move around. And we're just going to open it up. Okay, here's just the iPhone 12 Pro Max box. Get rid of that. Boom. Alright, little cover comes off of there. Actually didn't need my knife other than that first part. Oh, the new blue color. Oh my gosh. That is so sweet. I'm gonna take the little tab off. Slide out. So it doesn't come with the charging block, but it still has the cable, or a cable. Looks like a the USB-C to the regular iPhone charging cable. That still has that. Let's see what else we got. Drops on the floor. And a little pin for the SIM. You change the SIM out. Just some papers, how-tos, and that's about it for that box. You got a cover on the front of the phone. Take that bad boy off. There we go. Look at the size of the cameras on there. Oh my gosh, compared to my little 6S, it's a little baby one. So here is the size difference there between the 6S and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, so let's get it started here. See what it does. First time starting up. Hello! Swipe to begin. Like that, maybe. Alright, I'll do English. United States. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Alrighty. Oh. Did a pop-up on my old iPhone, set up new iPhone. And use that user, yep. Hold the new iPhone up to the camera. Using the pattern in the circle. Alright. That's pretty cool. It's using that pattern on there for this phone to figure out how to communicate with each other. I'm using my passcode. Can't show you all that part. Okay, setting up your iPhone. It says finish on new iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. It's asking you to set up Face ID. I'm going to do that later, so you can keep going. Transfer data from HeartTone. I was asking if I want to transfer all the data from my old phone to my new one. Setting up your Apple ID. Terms and conditions. Agree to that. Nobody ever reads those, right? Setting up your Apple ID. Enable location services. Okay, now it's finally transferring the data from my old iPhone to the new. All wirelessly, which is really nice. I gotta be honest. Putting a USB-C charging cable in here with this doesn't really do me any good because I don't have a USB-C charging block. All my charging blocks are USB. So now, Apple tried to save the world by not including a charging block, but I still got to buy it and have it shipped to me. So they didn't save the world, they just saved themselves money by not sending them. Okay, it says transfer complete. Took about 10-15 minutes maybe. Now it's restarting the new iPhone. So we'll see. Alright, new entry started, and it has even my picture from my 6S on the new phone now, my background picture. And no SIM card installed, so you can get an eSIM from not Apple, but AT&T or Verizon or wherever your carrier is, or go to the store and get one. Or still the old school way, comes with a little SIM pin, so you can pop out that guy. Just pop the little tray out, SIM tray, same size. Get my old phone out of this case. Take the SIM out, put it in the new tray. Okay. And we have a signal. Good to go. Easy peasy. Up and running. Just that quick. Probably 20 minutes whole process. That's the new iPhone 12 Pro Max from the iPhone 6S. I'm going to do some more videos to check out this camera and test them out on this 12 Pro Max. So subscribe to Heart Tongue Adventures to check out those videos coming up.